Yo people, we have some fun things to do today. Instead of doing other stuff, I'm gonna see what stuff we're gonna be doing. I don't know. This might be a random video. I don't know. I actually don't know what those gonna be, but I'll figure it out. So yeah, everything is kind of getting good. Well, because of the FS video, like I'm putting nothing out. I'm actually gonna go get it right now. So yeah, going in that toy room. I think I'd be out there. I really don't know. Oh, Abby's there. Hey Abby, say hello to the camera. Hi, say hi to the camera. She really doesn't really care. But yeah, I'm ordering 2 more of those video printers. I think I just lost my other one, guys. So I think I'm gonna have like 7 now. From the first one I made, the soccer ball one, and the other one. I think I lost that one. I really don't know, but this goes fast. I'm gonna do some tricks with the fidget spinner. So there's another trick, guys. I cannot do like I only know how to do all my fingers. So let's do all my fingers. Thumb first. I don't think I can do. Okay, it did. That was amazing, guys. Watch. Now my middle finger. I know how to do my middle finger easily. Oh, not better than the other one. Oh, that one's gonna be hard. Oh, that was not even that hard. Pinky finger now. Oh, guys, let me restart. I'm sorry. You guys didn't probably see good. That's really dumb, which is easy. I think I wish. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Oh, okay. No, it's my middle finger. That was what this. Oh. See, I can do it. Yeah, I really can't do good. I can do probably good with my pinky finger. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that L&D button. See you next time. I hope this is my own screen. If it is, like this video, please. See you later. Ow! I really do have a shoe.